I'm Ann.
And we are going to make breakfast out of our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook that we love, and we kind of misplaced it for a while. We haven't made them for a while, and we've been making these recently, and
They are so adorable.
and that's what they're called, Adorable Pancake Puffs, APP, apps. We thought we were so cool with that name, but no one knows what it means. And these puffs are actually, they're like circular little pancake puffs. It's called Ebelskiver, which is a Danish pancake. Fancy name for a really cute thing.
I was in Williams-Sonoma one day, and they were making these, and I couldn't believe how adorable they were. And I also couldn't believe the ingredients that I don't want to have to eat. So I went home thinking, I'll just try it. And I
Try
just
with
sort of
your own-
invented with my own ingredients.
Yeah.
And wait till you see what we've come up with.
So if you're following along, it's on page 49 of the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook, and there's a sweet version, and then there's a savory version.
I'm going to do the savory today.
And I'm going to do the sweet, and then we have some people here who are going to eat everything for us, who are home from college. Yay! Okay. So
do we do them together, or should you?
Yeah. The foundation for all of them, we actually have in the book is barley flour, but we're using oat flour today.
Or any flour. I don't
Or any flour,
It
I
could be
suppose.
any flour is good.
Yeah.
And a whole grain flour.
Of course. We love oat flour. And the rising agent for mine is the baking powder. What do you
I
have in here?
forgot my baking powder.
Do you need some baking powder?
I need baking powder.
Okay, hold on. I'll get you some baking powder.
Dear me.
How much baking powder do you want?
Wait. Oh, I need to measure it.
Oh, you do?
I need yeah.
Right here. I had a half a teaspoon in mine. Is that what you have
So
there?
that's what is in mine.
Okay, and then I've got flaxseed and...
I forgot my flaxseed.
Oh my God, good night, nurse.
I was not so organized.
Okay. There you go.
And
A little bit of flaxseed. I think I had a tablespoon or two.
I have 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal. And you know, the flaxseed meal you need to keep refrigerated or frozen because it gets rancid if it's left out. And then in mine, I'm going to put some corn that's been thawed. It's just frozen corn thawed. And I am going to put in some green onions. These are four green onions. The next thing is crazy, and I can't believe it. It's a jalapeno, and it seems like a lot, but you don't notice it. Truly, you don't notice it. And then I'm going to add some milk. This happens to be almond milk. And then I am going to stir it up. Now it looks crazy.
You don't have your kale in there yet.
No, I put that in later.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna add all the liquids to mine, and I have almond milk, oat milk in mine, vanilla, maple syrup, and I want to make sure that I'm not forgetting anything, so I'm reviewing here as I go along, and this is all good to go. So we're gonna stir this up so there's no clumps, and give it a go. We've got the Ebelskiver pans. Oh, let me show you the pans quickly. Maybe we'll get a close-up later, but here is the pan. There's little wells in the pan, and it's so hot, it's ready to go. They heat up from below, so they cook all around, and then you have to sort of flip them midway.
And that's the fun part.
Yeah.
And it's the surprisingly easy part, even though
It looks
you
kind
might
of
not think.
complicated and scientific and spaceshipy, maybe, I don't know.
Okay, now I'm going to put, this is kale that's cooked, and I'm putting it in the center, and it's cooked so that it is nice and perfect. So I had kale in the middle, and now I have a little lid on top.
Can you see? Yeah, it's beautiful.
No, we gotta let them cook, and you have to let them cook until you can take like this. I absolutely love this tevelal for everything. And you could use a chopstick or something. You don't want something that's going to scratch. And when this gets nice and cooked here, then it's ready to flip it, but it's going to be a second or so.
Okay, we've been cooking our
Sizzling.
puffs, and I think my stove was too hot when I started, so mine didn't get as puffy. They kind of got sucked down to the bottom. Anne's are these beautiful.
But Jane's stove wasn't hot enough in the beginning for mine, on my side. But look at these little fun balls. They're just these puffs.
Ebelskivers, and they're these adorable, just little puffs that you can just dip into your syrup with berries, however you want to eat it. And in the savory side of things, you probably want to have these with something more savory, like salsa, even like a hummus. I don't even, it's like a corn muffin.
Honestly, Jane,
They're alone.
I love them plain.
Oh, you're way ahead of me here. Okay, so I'm going to give these to our kiddos who are home from college.
And the funny thing is, there's a whole jalapeno in here, and it doesn't even taste hot.
Oh, and I'm using a chopstick because you don't need to have a rubber spatula. You can use anything that's just not metal because you don't want to damage the finish on the Ebelskiver pan. Okay, go make some of your own adorable pancake puffs, sweet or savory. Oh, you probably could put vinegar on it. Acid cream would love the
Jane.
Oh,
That would ruin them.
you would like it, I think.
No, I like them plain.
Okay. Go make your puffs. Let us know how you did that.
It's hot, but it's so good.